You in the courtyard shade, red on your lips, grape stained, old stone under our shoes. We laugh in the afternoon. Barrels sleep in the dark, sunlight cuts through the arch. You trace rings on the glass, say this moment goes fast, but it don't, not here. Time slows down